Working action of copper type SF6 gas. Circuit breaker is shown in the figure. Okay. Now in this, you can see the puckering action of the cylinder. Under normal operating condition, contacts are closed. Here, contacts are closed. Then, when fault occurs, when occurrence of the fault is there, when fault occurs, the fault is sensed by the relay, sensed by the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker starts its opening operation by sensing the fault from relay by actuation of the trip circuit. The contacts get open. Now here contact gets open means this entire cylinder moves back, direction is shown, this entire cylinder moves back. You can see these three arrows, okay? Moving cylinder get moves back and the SF6 gases now get compressed, okay? Have you seen this? SF6 gas get compressed. This compressed SF6 gas increases its pressure and the nozzle here it is open. Insulating nozzle here it is open. So here you can see it is open. So forced high pressure SF6 gas is applied on the arc. When arc it is get struck in between the contact after separation of moving contact of which high pressure SF6 gas is get applied over here. This is what the puckering action, okay, and are get extinguished, okay. So the working of SF6 gas copper type circuit breaker you have seen. Any doubt? Okay. Then another type of SF6 gas circuit breaker. Another type of SF6 gas circuit breaker, that is a double pressure. Double pressure. Okay. SF6 gas circuit breaker. Next type. Double pressure SF6 gas circuit breaker, in which you are having the gas it is stored in the tank. So now here you are having the gas in this particular circuit breaker. Here SF6 gas is under normal atmospheric pressure. Here it is compressed at high pressure. But here in this you are having the tank provided and you are having high pressure SF6 gas. From compressor it is taken. Okay, and it is stored in the reservoir like a tank. Okay. In this particular, you can see here you are having this diagram. You can see this diagram. So from here it is a auxiliary reservoir, high pressure SF6 gas storage tank, and high pressure SF6 gas is here coming to the tank through compressor. Pressure is around 14 kg per centimeter square. Okay. So you are having the tank. So this is bigger assembly than copper type. SF6 gas. Then you are having, this is a low pressure chamber over here. So you are having gas system, you are having tank, and you are having arc extinction. tank. When you are having inlet gas system, when you are having this arc extinction, SF6 main reservoir. So, and this incoming terminal and outgoing terminal. So, terminals opening and closing of the. So, this is arc extinction chamber, which takes place inside this arc extinction chamber. Okay. So, gas system, it is followed with closed path. You are having high pressure gas which comes over here. Okay. Then this high pressure gas is applied inside the arc extinction chamber. When arc extinction is there, the pressure of gas is released. Now low pressure gas is again out. Pressure get released C from 14 to 2. Then again it goes to the compressor. It is get compressed, and again high pressure compressed gas is stored in the tank. Okay. So in this particular here gas that follows closed path, as I told you. Okay. And active alumina is activated alumina, which is Al2, aluminum and oxygen, Al2O3. These filters are used for gas filtration, which absorbs the arcing particles, carbon particles get mixed with the gas, because this active alumina which filters out these particles, which again you are having the outlet gas, you can directly fill to the compressor for increasing the pressure to compress it. Then you are having storage, low pressure chamber, high pressure chamber gas, that you have to provide all electrical safety to the tank. Then third is arc extinction chamber. You are having the provided arc extinction chamber. The chamber which is supported by insulating material. Okay, the arc extinction takes place. The arc extinction process takes place inside the chamber, and you are applying the high pressure SF6 gas for extinction of arc. Now when arc gets struck in between the contacts of the circuit breaker, you know, because of the fault, when the fault is get sensed by the circuit relay, and circuit breaker operate to open the contacts of the circuit breaker, right? So any doubt? Good. Now you are having certain SF6 gas circuit breaker. It may be a double break type or double pressure type, what we can say, and buffer type also we have seen. So there are multiple advantages of circuit breaker, SF6 gas circuit breaker. You may ask question, advantages and disadvantages of SF6 gas circuit breaker. So you can easily write advantages. What are the advantages? As far as the advantages are concerned, number one, this circuit breaker is good with good overload capacities. It is a silent with good overload capacity. The operation is silent. For heavy overload capacities, you may have operation little bit noise. Okay. Then there are failure of insulating strength because of moisture content. So I will combinedly write advantages and disadvantages. Given drawbacks. With moisture can enter inside the tank if it is not sealed well. So sealed tank, it is very important. If it is not, moisture can enter inside the contacts of the inside the arcing chamber. Then you are having that HFC's gas. If normally I told you the closed loop. So in closed loop you have to check the purity of HFC's gas. If it is down, especially active alumina and what I told you, if purity of gas goes down, recirculation will in closed loop, recirculation of gas will reduce dielectric strength. So that you have to take care. Okay. Are you able to listen? Are you with me? Then HFC's gas, you know that maintenance is minimum compared to air and oil circuit breaker. Maintenance is less maintenance is there. Of course, there are some advantages, some disadvantages. Poor voltage problem, contact corrosion, because of inert property which we have. Inert property is good for HFC's gas. So less over voltage problem, less corrosion of contacts. That is also we have advantages. So you may not require to replace the frequently contact. Then HFC's gas rating from small to higher. So you are having large variety. For higher voltages to 2400 kV, we are having the HFC's gas. Then excellent electronegativity and all properties as we have. So excellent arc extinction property. Excellent arc extinction property is also there. Because of the, you can increase the pressure, you can increase the dielectric strength of gas. Some things we have considered: sealing of tank, it is also a problem. You need a special material for sealing of tank. You should not allow leak, you should not allow enter the moisture inside the circuit breaker tank or circuit breaker arc extinction chamber. So as far as the HF6 gas circuit breaker is concerned, these are some two types of HF6 circuit breaker. HF6 double pressure with tank circuit breaker and buffer type HF6 gas circuit breaker. Okay.